Hi friends, in today's video, I will introduce how to receive 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, and various bonuses on the Bitget exchange. If you are planning to create a Bitget account, you can receive various benefits by using the referral link below this video, or by entering the referral code *3 during registration. Bitget is one of the global cryptocurrency exchanges, and it offers various features, such as spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading. Its interface is also relatively simple, making it easy and convenient to use. First, let's create a Bitget account. If you click the link below the video, the Bitget sign-up page will open. Please enter your email address or mobile number to create your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. If you access the page through the referral link below, the referral code should already be entered automatically. However, if you did not access the page through the referral link, please enter *3. By entering *3, you can receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, and various bonus rewards on Bitget. Once you have filled everything in, please check all the agreement boxes below, and click Create Account. Click the icons in the picture, in the order shown in the top right. A verification code will be sent to the email or mobile number you entered. Enter the verification code you received. Your Bitget account creation will be completed. Next, you need to proceed with identity verification. You must complete identity verification in order to receive various rewards on Bitget, and to deposit, withdraw, and trade. So please make sure to complete the verification. For identity verification, you will need to complete ID verification and face verification, so we recommend continuing the process on mobile. Please install the Bitget app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Press the Get Started button, and then press the Login button at the top right. Log in using the account you just created. Press the Verify button in the center to proceed with identity verification. Press the Verify Now button once again. Select your country of residence, and also select the issuing country. Next, you will need to select the ID type for identity verification. Among the various ID types listed below, please choose one type of identification that you have. In this video, we will proceed using a passport. Press the Next button. Once you have prepared your ID, press the Continue button. Then the camera capture screen will appear. Now place the passport information page within the camera frame, and take a clear photo without light reflection. After taking the photo, you will need to complete face verification. Place your face within the camera frame, and nod your head or blink your eyes. Then the identity verification process will be completed, and the verification review will take about 1 hour. After the review is completed, you will be able to confirm that your account has been verified. Lastly, I will show you how to receive various rewards. On the Bitget home screen, hover your mouse over the More menu in the top menu. Then click Rewards from the menu below. You will be taken to the Rewards Center page. Here you can see various new user tasks and advanced tasks. For new users, if you complete identity verification, your first deposit, and your first trade, various bonus rewards will be provided. So please make sure to complete these tasks. There are also many other tasks where you can receive bonus rewards, so please be sure to check them. In today's video, I introduced how to receive trading fee discounts on the Bitget exchange, and how to receive various bonus rewards. If you have any questions while watching the video, please feel free to ask in the comments. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching until the end.